Ever pondered what mysteries lie beyond our own celestial neighborhood? Well, let's take you on a journey, a grand one at that, aboard the Voyager spacecrafts. Launched back on August 20th and September 5th, 1977, these spacecrafts represent humanity's farthest and most enduring venture into the cosmos. Their primary mission? To explore the outer solar system, stretching our understanding of the universe beyond the familiar. These golden ambassadors of Earth have revealed more than we ever dared to imagine. First stop on this cosmic odyssey, the gas giant Jupiter. The Voyager mission's first major discovery blew us away. It was the active volcanism on Jupiter's moon, Io. This marked the first time we'd ever witnessed active volcanoes on another body in the solar system. Imagine that. Fire and brimstone, not on our home planet, but a moon orbiting the massive ball of gas that is Jupiter. It was a revelation that expanded the frontiers of our knowledge and made us question what we thought we knew about planetary science. Voyager didn't stop there. It also gifted us with stunning images of Jupiter's atmospheric clouds. Splashes of orange, brown, and white swirling together in a celestial dance. A breathtaking spectacle that continues to captivate scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Voyager's encounter with Jupiter gave us a deeper understanding of our solar system's largest planet. Next destination, the ringed beauty, Saturn. A planet that has always captivated our curiosity with its intricate ring system. Voyager missions unveiled an astounding level of complexity in these rings. We found them to be composed of countless icy particles ranging from tiny grains to mountain-sized chunks, all orbiting Saturn in a harmonious cosmic ballet. But wait, there's more. Saturn's north pole hides a peculiar secret, a hexagonal storm. Yes, you heard that right. A six-sided hurricane that could comfortably fit two Earths inside it. A spectacle unseen anywhere else in our solar system, this storm's existence continues to baffle scientists. Adding to the list of surprises were 3 new moons discovered by Voyager, enhancing Saturn's already impressive family of 62 known moons. These tiny celestial bodies, each with its unique characteristics, further enrich the intricate Saturnian system. Saturn, with its complex rings and surprising moons, offered a treasure trove of discoveries. Now let's journey to the farthest reaches of our solar system. Buckle up as we venture to the third major discovery from the Voyager missions, the unique, dark, icy worlds of Uranus and Neptune. These twin titans, shrouded in mystery, unveiled themselves to our curious eyes through the lenses of the Voyager spacecraft. Uranus, with its peculiar tilt, and Neptune, with its violent weather, both stunned us with their icy beauty. Next, we shift our gaze back to Jupiter, but this time, we're not marveling at the planet itself. The fourth major revelation was the detection of a faint ring system around Jupiter. Previously overshadowed by the grandeur of Saturn's rings, this discovery highlighted Jupiter's own subtle beauty. These ethereal rings, composed of tiny dust particles, are a testament to the intricate and complex nature of our solar system. Lastly, we grapple with a mind-bending revelation about the heliosphere. This bubble, which contains our solar system, was previously thought to be round. However, the Voyager mission showed us that it's actually dented. This dent, caused by the interstellar magnetic field, is a stark reminder of the vast cosmic forces that shape our celestial neighborhood. These discoveries have reshaped our understanding of the outer solar system and our place within it. We've journeyed to the farthest reaches, but remember, the exploration doesn't stop here. Our curiosity continues to propel us forward, further into the unknown. As Voyager continues its journey, what might it encounter next? Voyager 1 and 2, our intrepid cosmic explorers, are now more than 4 decades into their missions. They've crossed the threshold of the heliosphere, the protective bubble of particles and magnetic fields created by the sun, and are making their way into the vast expanse of interstellar space. Each day, these spacecraft are venturing farther into the unknown, gathering invaluable data along the way. What mysteries might they uncover next? Could they detect signs of extraterrestrial life or discover entirely new cosmic phenomena? As they journey through the void, the potential for groundbreaking discoveries is as boundless as space itself. In the years to come, the Voyagers will continue to send us back whispers from the edges of the solar system until their power eventually wanes. But until then, their explorations will continue to inspire and educate us. So as we celebrate the Voyager missions, we look forward to the uncharted territories that await us in the cosmic ocean.